Number 13. The function h is defined by h of x equals 8 over 5x plus 6. What is the value of h of 2? This section has had, this is like the third question that's had evaluating functions as part of it. Okay, they ran an evaluating functions kind of mood. So evaluating a function, if you're watching these videos individually and not the full-length one with all of them together, I'll repeat what that is. And if, you just heard me say this, if you're watching the full-length video, hey, it's getting reinforced. What can you say? When I have a function, it is an input and an output. The input is whatever I write in this parentheses, and then I take that input and I go over on the right side, and wherever there's an x, because that's the variable I'm replacing, I'm going to put that input. And then I do all my math, and what I get is the h of x value. So in real numbers, it would be like if I had, say, h of x is equal to x plus 2. And then they asked, what is h of 3? They're saying, I want you to plug in everywhere there's an x on the right side. There's only one in this case. I want you to put a 3 in for it. And then tell me what you get. So I put in a 3 and I get 3 plus 2 equals 5. And I go, okay. Then my output is 5. H of 3 is 5. And that is what evaluating a function is. So if they ever tell you to evaluate this function for 5 or that kind of thing, that's what they mean. So here they're telling us to evaluate it for h of 2. So they want me to take 2 here. Boom. And then wherever there's a 2 on the right-hand side, if there's an x on the right-hand side, I should plug in a 2. There is only one. So I'm going to plug in a 2. So 8 all over 5 times 2 is 10 plus 6. 8 over 10 plus 6 is 16. Simplify this. This is 1/2. So you can enter this into your answer key. This is a student-produced response. So you can enter it as 1/2 or as the decimal 0.5, and that is your answer. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free 10 video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.